Hey, baholi benu. Kwase kuthi inyanje kwase kuyathula baphi baholi benu. Nayibona imali ukuthi mnanzi kanjani. Sathi sinitshela ukuthi labantu benu basebenzela tisutaba. They are doing it for us South Africans. They are fixing the country, right? Nguphi la kungcono khona bala 1. Unemployment sayingcono. Cha. At ama statistics, unemployment is at an all-time high. Yeah, it's at an all-time high. Kuze kuyamangalisa ngendlela unemployment iningi ngayo. Bayakhona ukunitholela imisebenzi ihambile ilankho yenu yafika yatshela umlungu ukuthi kumele ucoshe amanye ama-Afrika la sifuna abantu base South Africa kuphela wathi umlungu amane ngivale ayivalwe le business. Hayi ukuthi awekho kama South Africa asebenza khona ama South Africa asebenza khona neda bafunda ukuthi kukhona amanye ama-Afrika ayivalwe le business kusho ukuthi nalawa amanye ama South African achashwe lapha ayowenza njani ayohlala ekhaya manje bahamba bayolanda India when you are hiring other foreign nationals here we want South Africans lathi India umphathi akekho wathiwa sifuna ukukhuluma naye umphathi if asimthola umphathi ayivalwe ibhizinisi lathi India okay kushuthi uyavalwa ke ibhizinisi kushothi nalawa ama South Africans ayosebenza lapha kule business kwenzakalani manje nawe ayohlala ekhaya VW uyadedela Pick and Pay uyadedela Spar uyadedela Woolworths uyadedela Fortune uyavalwa nawo lama foreigner ngiwo ke bewanikhashile ke lama foreigner ngoba kuphela kwebantu abawakhalelayo ke South Africans ukuthi ama foreigner bewanika umsebenzi niwacoshile nigade uthi nizawuthola ama business already akadlalo yasiswa seKongo wahliphita kwasani funa niqalele phasi ndayithatha phi le mali we're waiting for government to give us bapi baholi benu base bayabinza manje sebaphi awadi wena uthi udodlana bona emakhika agcwele amamiliyoni athi so mashe wamasha ungadli nekudla ufile indlala kumashi uthi wa fixing the country ngutshela mina wena kuthi le country niyifixela belunga uyifixela umuntu omnyama abahambe baphi Ndawuza nithi mkhulu nini emfanene nini ngoba lento le ay but ikhona lo bhuti loshilo la wathi what it's going to take the same pain that you felt mabani indoctrinate mabani limaza lengqondo ukuze uphinde uvuleke futhi kushuthi kumele niphinde nidlule kuye le apartheid kuze kuvuleke la futhi kumele kumphinde ninye futhi nisifeke kulokuhlupheka sife ngilama sanctions ngoba phela le Zimbabwe lokunihleka nithi go back to your country Zimbabwe is poor nina you think you are above the program kuyeza nala eSouth Africa in fact hayi ukuthi kuyeza sekuvele kufikile sekula